So this is the engine master's engine, in and running, fresh gas. You're gonna have to go in the dyno and get dialed in a little closer than what it is because it had a supercharger on it. Supercharger's not going on it right now, so we're just gonna get it dialed in and get it driving. And this engine made 450 horsepower on the dyno at Engine Master, so we'll see what it makes in the real world. And we're just waiting on a couple of parts. Got a new cold air intake coming for it. That's a nice ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Good oil pressure. I'm not sure if it's charging. Running cool. Please subscribe, it really helps a lot.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.